something special beyond all these things
Hmm.
is I listen to Prem Rawat. Okay,
Hmm.
Prem Rawat is an international peace speaker.
Hello.
Hello, nice to meet
Hi.
you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And what about you?
Great. I'm very well. Thank you. My name is Caitlin. What is your name?
My name is Anush, and I'm from India.
Great. Nice to meet you, Anish.
Nice to meet you too. Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. I was waiting for you, and I thought maybe you're not gonna come online.
No, I had other lessons today. I've had 3 hours of booked lessons, so
Okay,
it's a
okay.
little bit later.
What's your time now?
It is 11:30, 12:30, 11:30
12:30, 11:30 p.m.
a.m.
a.m. Okay,
Yeah,
got it, got it. All right, so how are you? What's going on these days?
I'm very well, thank you. How long have you been studying with Cambly?
Uh, are you asking me?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not very long. Okay, I've recently joined this app, and I think it's fifth or sixth conversation that I'm having today with you.
Great.
Yes,
Very good. Well, welcome to Cambly.
thank you so much. And when did you join as a tutor?
Over a year and a half now, I think.
Cool.
Yes.
That's cool. That's cool. And sometimes it doesn't work properly. There are a lot of traffic here.
Yes, sometimes there are a few like glitches in the system. It does happen occasionally.
Yeah, especially it's a website. Oh my gosh, it a lot. It lags behind a lot.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
I think my timings may be different. So I think compared to Europe time, it's completely different.
Yeah, there are two. I mean, two reasons, especially two reasons. The first is internet connection,
Hmm.
right? And the second one is traffic. So if
Yeah,
both are good, then a conversation, I mean, digital work can be done properly.
yeah, definitely. And can you
Yes.
tell me a little about why you are learning English?
Okay, so almost all the teacher ask me this question,
Hmm.
which is common. So I would say that first of all, this is my first language, first
Okay.
foreign language actually, and I'm learning because when you learn a foreign language, you are giving yourself a lot of chances to do something beyond your country, right?
Yeah.
Okay, of course, in your country, but beyond your country, I'm saying because inside of your country, you use native language,
Yeah.
right? And but when you go outside, you need to know the regional language, the native language where you are going. So, and this language, of course, this language is worldwide spoken. So, in this situation, I thought that first of all, I should learn this language. Okay, and if you get an opportunity in future for a job or a job in international company, or if you travel in other country where this language is spoken uh, by the mostly people, this will work there to interact with them. And third, that you can teach when you have extra language. Of course, you can be a tutor of this language. So this is something that I do. So the third option, which I told you,
Hmm.
actually I'm a YouTuber and I teach English language. through my YouTube channel. So I just try to upload my conversation video, and I make conversation video, I make vocabularies video, and I upload it on my channel for my viewers.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, tell me one thing, that do you allow your conversation to be uploaded on YouTube or not?
Personally, for me, I'm not so comfortable with it, just because I don't I'm not quite open on social media myself. So
But I would say, I want to say that if I upload this conversation, there's no problem. In fact, when viewers will watch this video, they will try to reach you. The more people will have reservation with you to talk, and
yeah,
I think you would like it.
I understand that side of it. Can you tell me
Exactly, it
more
is true.
about yourself, Anuja?
Anuj. My name is Anuj.
Anuj? Yeah.
Yes.
Can you tell me more about yourself? So you mentioned you are a YouTuber. What do you like to do in your free time as well? What are your hobbies?
Okay. So first of all, I want to say that hobby is something that can be changed, or that changes according to time,
Yeah,
according to period of your life, right? So
definitely.
early, singing has been my hobby, okay, but at this time, reading is my hobby.
Amazing.
So yeah, so recently I bought a new book, okay. The book is The Power
Ah,
of Positive Thinking.
yes.
Yes, by Normal Vincent Peale.
Hmm.
Okay, so whenever I get time, inst- instead of, I mean, beyond my work, I just try to read a book.
That's
So,
great.
and yes, and sometimes I involve myself with games.
Hmm.
Okay, outdoor games, I mean.
Okay.
Cricket is my favorite sport. So when I get time, I play cricket. So these are something that I do. And something special beyond all these things
Hmm.
is I listen to Prem Rawat. Okay,
Hmm.
Prem Rawat is an international peace speaker
Yeah.
who goes everywhere. His name is Prem Rawat, and
Hmm.
I'm telling you because I want you too to try to search about him
Yeah.
and listen some videos if you have time. His name
Yeah.
is Prem Rawat. I'm gonna write it on the chat. Okay,
That'd be great. Yeah. Thank you.
I wrote it, Prem Rawat.
I will have a look
So,
later.
yes, so his message is about peace, the real peace which exists within every single person, every human being, the real peace. Okay, so he talks about peace, and he says that why peace is important, the internal peace, I mean, why the internal peace is important, and why did you get this life? Why? Why God gave you this life as a human being?
Hmm.
Okay, so he talks about it, and then eventually, when you feel that, yeah, I want to experience that something which exists within me, he gives, hmm, I mean, his that is called self knowledge. So he gives the self knowledge. If I explain, it is the way how you can experience that something which exists within you. Okay,
Yeah.
so you will get that eventually. But first of all, when you will start to listen to him,
Hmm.
you will start to feel your real thirst for something which exists within you.
Yeah.
Okay, so before I watched him. The video was about of 50 minutes, and I watched that. and his words really touches my heart. Even everyone's heart, his word touches.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will highly recommend you to research about him and try to hear him. And can you tell me where are you from? Sorry, I forgot to ask.
Yeah, I'm from Cambridge in the UK. It's,
UK. So
yeah.
unfortunately, I watched his program,
Hmm.
and this morning the program was done in 2001 in England.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Interesting.
So, and recently his programs have been in England. I think he is in UK at this time. I'm not sure, but I think
Oh, wow. Very
because
interesting.
he travels everywhere in the world.
Yes.
Though he's originally from India, but at
Okay.
this time he's an international piece speaker.
Very interesting. I will have a look. I'm interested in things like this, actually, these kind of
Okay,
speakers. Um,
okay. And Kathleen,
mhm.
I also want to tell you that we have just few seconds. I also want to tell you that my okay, I'm writing actually
Okay.
experience with and I also wrote you my Insta ID, okay?
Okay.
So if you have any questions and if you want to know more, please let me know on my Insta. I wrote you experience with Anuj, and
Okay.
we can interact there more because there's privacy reason here that we can't,
Yes.
and hopefully you will feel amazing in yourself.
Great. It was very nice to meet you, Anish. I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, and wishing you too a beautiful day,
Thank
just
you.
like you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.